where sunlight softens every rule. A little girl kneels at the side, letting wonder be her guide. Water ripples round her hand as she leans toward a world unplanned, reaching for a silver gleam, chasing something like a dream. This is where the questions start, rising from an open heart, touching secrets in the deep, memories the waters keep. Pure desire to understand moves her through the shining sand, every moment pure and free, born from curiosity. Fish glide by in gentle play, slipping just a breath away. Still she smiles at every try, finding magic in each sigh. Nothing taught her to be still, she just follows in her will, learning as she moves along, drawn by life's uncertain song. This is where the questions start, rising from an open heart, touching secrets in the deep, memories the waters keep. Pure desire to understand moves her through the shining sand, every moment pure and free, born from curiosity. Final tag, discovery begins.